Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. It's me, Sonny, and I'm here with my BMW M3, aka Nadia. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your rear turn signal bulb on your BMW E92 or E93 M3. So let's get started. Alright, so when I'm in my car and I turn on the left turn signal, it starts blinking fast and I get a notification on the dash saying left rear turn signal malfunction. Alright, so I'm at the trunk of the car, I'm at the rear tail light, and what you want to do is you want to make sure you remove this clip here and pull this piece out. And once you do that, you'll see here are the tail light bulbs, and this piece right here will be the turn signal bulb. So what you do is you'll twist this out like so, and then pull out, and here it is. Alright, so when you're removing the bulb, you want to press down and twist, that way it'll come out. And also when you're putting it back in, you want to do the same, press down and twist. They have like these two things on the side. You want to make sure that they line up, and then press down and twist so that it's locked in. So we're going to go ahead and replace this one. I got a pack of these at the auto parts store for like $8, so I'm going to go ahead and switch them out. Alright, good to go. So now let's place it back in. Alright, so placing it back in, you want to make sure you line it up, place it in, and then twist so that it's locked, and you're good to go. And then you want to just make sure you put back in the pieces, and you're all set. Now let's check it out to make sure that it's working properly. Okay, so it's turning slow now instead of fast, and I don't see any notifications on the dash. Just to be sure, let's go ahead and check the rear light. Alright guys, so there you go. Super easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to smash the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. And also, if you want one of these shirts that I designed, I'll include a link down below in the description so you can pick one up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.